Well, if you're planning to light up the sky this 4th of July, remember safety continues even after all the fireworks have been lit. The Idaho Falls Fire Department says every year they see people improperly disposing of fireworks by throwing them in a garbage can or in dumpsters while the fireworks are still active and burning. This has led to house fires in years past, as the garbage cans are often pushed up against the home. And then there is an easy way to prevent this from happening.
Our recommendation is take a bucket and dip it in the bucket, leave it in the bucket overnight. Because just because you dip it in the bucket doesn't mean the whole firework will get wet all the way through down to the insides. So what I recommend is dipping it in the bucket, leaving it there overnight, and then disposing it of in your garbage can the next day.
Newton says with dumpster fires, injuries and property loss are usually the outcome. They haven't had any loss of life attributed directly to this kind of fire, but it's still a constant issue.